Hello and welcome to the equipment tutorial series here at Middlesex Community College. My name is Eddie and today we're going to be going over our Magnus Video Tripod. In this video, we're going to be going over how to set up, adjust, and tear down your tripod correctly. If you'd like to skip somewhere specific in the video, you can use any of these timestamps here and there'll also be timestamps down in the description. Now to open this guy, the first thing that you're going to want to do is come down here to the bottom. You'll see this little loop. You just want to pull that towards the bottom, which will unlock the legs here. From that point, we can then open the legs like that. Now there's a latch up here and down here, so we'll undo those to open. We'll do that for each side, just like that. Now don't get intimidated. These wires are meant for a controller on the handle, but you don't need to worry about that right now. We're just focusing on basics. To open this handle, you just want to unscrew this knob here, bring the handle out, screw that back in just like that. Now this knob here on the other side will control your left and right movement. You want to lock it in place, just flip that knob like that. This knob here controls your forward and backward movement. If you want to lock that into place similarly, just tighten it like that. If you'd like to change the level of the camera, come down here to this grip, unscrew it, and that will give you a little bit of tilt. Once you want to center it again, come over here to this little level bubble here and just make sure that bubble is in the center and tighten the grip back up, just like that. If we want to remove the base plate, we have this latch here, which will loosen it. And then on the other side here, we have a metallic red button. We'll push that in, which will allow us to free the base plate. Now secure this base plate onto the camera. It's very easy. You'll notice that there's a little latch on the bottom of the base plate here. So we can just flip that out like so. You'll notice that this slides up and down, so make sure that that's centered before screwing that onto the bottom of your camera. Nice and tight, just like that. Then to put the camera back on the tripod, it's as easy as sliding it right on and pushing that latch back into position. So now we're nice and sturdy and ready to film. Now to break this guy down, we just do the steps in reverse. So we're gonna come over here to the handle, unscrew this knob, bring it back down, tighten it back up. Then we're gonna come to each leg, undo the latch on the top and the bottom, and push from the bottom up. Tighten that latch back up, and this one. We'll do that for each leg. Just like that. Then we'll come to the bottom here, push this up so that way the legs can come together. And once the legs do come together, you'll notice here, we have our little loop that we pulled earlier. We're just gonna make sure that each leg creates a little circle at the bottom there before pulling this latch back over and locking the legs back into place. Now to put away this tripod, it's best if you do it if you have a flat surface. So we're gonna come down here, make sure the legs go towards the part of the bag that is enclosed. Once you've done that, just make sure it's all the way in. Take that zipper, zip it all the way up, just like that. And it's as easy as that. Today we learned how to set up, adjust, and tear down our Magnus Video Tripod. If you think we missed anything in this video, or if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask your professor or instructor. With that being said, that's gonna wrap up this video. Until next time, happy filming from everyone here at MCC's Media Production Department.